Up for sale, 1974 Pontiac Firebird Esprit. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 74 Pontiac Esprit. It's a Rockford Files, I guess, tribute car, a recreation. Finished in Colonial Gold, which is the Rockford Files car, with the 400 badges on it. Proper, you know, interior combination, and I guess the look, if you want to put it that way. So as always, walk around and tell you what I know about it. We'll fire it up and then drive it. So here we go. We'll start in the front. It's its original 350 motor in it. I see a couple little stone chips there with an NOS 2-barrel carb on there. We'll work this way today since I'm facing the other direction. The floors underneath the car are super nice and rust-free, no patches. This is, a lot of times I feel like your Firebirds, your Esprits, they're not valued, of course, like the Trans Am and the Formula are, so people let them go. But it's always nice, this is the third one I've had, nice to see quality, maintained Firebird Esprits and Firebirds. You get what I'm saying. It was painted in 2009. The hood fitment's nice here. I see a little bit of like a faint checking in some spots on the hood. Let me pop this. And then I got a lift at the same time. Let me put my phone down. So it's got power steering, power brakes, factory AC, and nice, clean, pretty much factory original. Not really changed too much from it. I know it's got a lot of new parts to it. Water pump, harmonic balancer, tune-up service, all the fluids. I got a list of stuff that was done in the ad. Aluminum radiator, which is new. I like to see, you know, something like that hasn't been changed. This, which hasn't been changed. Oh, and the hood brackets are nicely painted in Colonial Gold, as well as the underhood. So they did a nice job doing this and taking their time. Some interesting things that I'm going to point out along the way. Factory stamping here, because again, it's a very, very original car. Another factory stamping there, and I know there's other ones throughout. So, oh, we're going the driver's side. Your Rally 2 wheels with white wall tires on it. I'm sorry for that jackhammer. I think the other two that I had that were Firebirds were both 75s, and they were brown, where this is the real Rockford Files color. The trim around the windows are in very nice condition. The trim tag's in place. You can see like a little factory marking in there. And I was actually told that all the interior in the car, other than the carpet mats, is original. And I gotta tell you, if that is the case, they really maintained the interior on the car. Because the seats, the horse collar seats, I believe they're called, are excellent. So, but the dash and the gauges and the radio, other than this small crack, which is going to happen for an original dash pad, it's mint. It's super, super nice. The wood grain, the gauges. Steering wheel is nice. No cracks on that. The horn works. They added a couple gauges down there, which is fine. You know, Nowadays, you never know what's going to happen with old cars. Nice to know your temp, your oil pressure, your battery. And then there's just a couple marks on the console there. But the rest of the console, shifter, all this is in very nice condition. We'll keep going here. Headliner, really, really nice in the car. Working dome light. Let me fold the back seat up. Zoom out a little bit. Back seat's mint. Same thing with both door panels. Sail panel. Both seat belts there. So we'll keep going. Your Esprit logo on there. The only thing is, I guess wherever he parked in the garage, it just, you know, caused a little bit of bubbling on the lower of that. Maybe he parked towards the door and a little bit of, you know, the moisture, where the moisture comes in. A little touch up on that corner there. I think things on this are common, because there's one here for these kind of cars, some design to it. I know, though, that another common thing for these cars is the rusting in this back section there, and that's super, super nice and solid, like the rest of the floors. Trunk fitment is nice. Not cut up on the back deck, so it's the factory package tray. Let's pop it open here. Three hands for that. Really nice under trunk lid. Factory stamping, factory stamping, factory stamping, factory stamping, factory, you know, markings in there. Oh, you got your original spare in there, held down nicely. And owner's manual, information, maintenance schedule. Your original trunk mat from 1974, and the trunk pan, which is mint. Really, really, really nice. Quarter in there. Let's get that set up. Keep going. I think I showed that. Yeah, the original type of sticker there. Grab the key. And the same deal in this corner here. A little bit of bubbling on this lower because of where it was parked. So the top of the car here. Nice again. Your window trim, stuff like that is in nice condition. I know there's a, looks like a couple bubbles right in that section there. Will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 74 Pontiac Esprit, nice back seats there. Rockford file tribute car, recreation if you want to say. Colonial gold with black interior. It's original 350 motor in it. Automatic, power steering, power brakes, which are front disc, and AC. And then I see just here, looks like a couple little checks in the paint on that corner there. So we're gonna fire it up now and then drive it. And here we go. Thank you.
Eventually, I'd like to restore this house to how it looked 141 years ago when it was